Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying that your NVR actually supports wireless. Some units need a specific USB Wi-Fi adapter. Once confirmed, power the NVR, attach a monitor and mouse, and sign into the admin account. Open the Network or Setup menu and navigate to Wireless Settings. This is where you choose the wireless interface. Make sure you know the router SSID and password, plus whether the network uses DHCP or a static IP, because those details determine your next choices. Once in wireless settings, scan for available SSIDs and pick your network. Enter the exact Wi-Fi password and select WPA2 or WPA3 if available for encryption. Next, decide DHCP versus static. DHCP is simplest, but a static IP prevents address changes that can break camera links. If static, pick an IP in the router subnet and set gateway and DNS. Apply the settings, then use the built-in ping or connection test to confirm the NVR reaches the router and internet. After the settings are applied, restart the NVR to ensure the wireless interface initializes cleanly and the cameras rebind. Verify live view, motion events, and scheduled recordings work over Wi-Fi. Make sure recorded files play back. If you see drops or lag, update the NVR firmware and keep a backup of the working configuration. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still have problems, temporarily create a phone hotspot and connect the NVR to it to isolate router or signal problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.